Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to perform a printhead cleaning on Epson XP-445 model inkjet multifunctional device. With the right arrow, go to Setup, click OK, then go to Maintenance. We have nozzle check head cleaning. We have to print nozzle check page first, load A4 paper and click on the print button. We are waiting. Here we have a low cartridge, but it's okay. And we see here we have only the yellow color showing here. So if you experience the same problems, you have to make head cleaning. What we have here on the display, we have here head cleaning menu. Go with the down arrow to head cleaning, then OK, and the start button. And that's it. If you see the same problem in the printed sheet, you have to repeat this procedure more and more until the defect is gone. So, good luck and thank you very much.